Hello guys, in previous video how to draw a plan, we can see we completed the geometry part. Now go for the general property, the general, click on here general, and now we should for this go for the properties and give the rectangle. Here click on rectangle here. My rectangle length is 0.45. This is my column structure, column size 35, and added next beam size 35. I was given 0.35. we taken as assuming. Close it. Next give for the thickness here 0.15 and added. Close it. Next go for selected this only columns now. For further click on the rectangle 0.45 into 0.35 and go for the selected and beams parallel to y-axis. Assign to selected beams, assign it. You can assign it like this. Here we can assign it, you can see here assign it directly. And next select it, go further. You should press the control and select this. Some more zoom in. We should assigning. We should carefully. You should select it. Like this, we should select now. We should select this. So okay, here we can change two types of available here. Now to press the control and drag toward the like this, or here go for the select. Go for select. Here missing attribute will be there, and go for the missing properties. It will be selecting only missing properties, and go for the assign to selected beams and click on assign. It will be assigned directly. It will be assigned. Okay, we can see in the 3D view also. Here we can see here how was acting on it. Okay, close it. And next we take thickness. We are already given. Send to selected view and assign it. It will be directly assigned it. Okay. Now next go for the supports. Create a support one. Add it. Click on supports here and drag it towards the here. Okay, here to drag it towards normal, and here the nodes were selected and assign to selected nodes, assign. Okay, it will be assigned. We can see in the isometric view the whole supports was added here. you can see here. Okay, and go for the loads and definition for this section. Go for the loads, load cases here, and click on load. We should take a dead load one. Okay, close it. First of all, we should take the seismic loads, and the wind load also we should take it, and select the seismic, add it. We should select the years 2002 to 2005 here, and generate here. We should select the zones here, and maybe one is 4th zone. The soil region was structured and generated. Okay, and click on add here, and again add, and close it. It will be completed as a definition for the seismic. Now we go for the wind, add, and add also here, close it. Click on wind, again add, calculation as per ASC. This is the update version only, and my category was 3. I was clicking on the Hyderabad wind speed here, meter per seconds, and this is the building structure, no? So that's why I am giving only building structure, and apply it. And next go for the main data building. Here we should calculate how much building height was taken. Is downwards towards the upward direction. 15 into 3, 45 plus again 3, 48. Total height of the building is 48, and this is the length of the build, and this is my radius is 20. I was given the 20, and it will be coming on the meters only. Okay, apply, go for the building design, directly apply, and click on OK here. Add it. Here exposes 1, add, close, assign to view, and click on assign. It will be assigned. Okay, and next thing, go for the load cases here, and add. We should take the seismic, earthquake in X direction 1, and earthquake in Z direction 1. Okay, next take a wind load here, wind load X direction, and we should take the red load here, and next go for the live load, and close it. We should take in the loads, and we should assign for this structure. For that, go for the earthquake in X direction, add. Here go for the earthquake seismic and X direction 1, close. Next here add seismic Z direction, and close. Wind, wind pressure, this is the X minimum range is minimum range is 10, maximum range is 48 now. Our building here. Okay, X direction, add, and we should take the minus also, and now 1 is Z direction, add, 1 is minus 1, and close. It will be completed. And next dead load here, we should take the dead load, not not responding. Wait for it. Okay, we get it here. Dead load, add, click on add here. Self-aid, add, close. Void load, add. Flow load. Minimum range is 3 frames. Maximum range 48. Full pressure load is minus 5. I was giving that minus 5. Alright, close it. Assign tube view. Assign it. You can see the load. You can see how the load, how the pressure was adding up in this section. Okay. Wait for the material for this section. Concrete. Assign to view, assign it. Okay. Go for the analyze for here. Close it. Analyze. We can any errors are available for this section. We can check it. Wait for the until the analysis is completed. Add and close it. Analyze, run analyze. Here we get the 0 errors. Okay, and go for the modeling, stay in modeling. Now we can design it for this section. We go for design, select the parameters here. Oh sorry, not the select parameters, and here we should select the concrete materials, and next here IS code is 456, and this is the code book, and select the toward the left side, and we should take the FC, Fmain, Fsec, and click on OK here, and different parameters here. I was taking the 30,000. Let's see, Fmain I was taking as 5 lakhs. Added, and Fsec was I was again also 5 lakhs. Add, close. Added beam, columns, slab, take off, close it. We should assign it. What we require is we can take it for this section. Assign to view and assign it. This one also assign to view, assign it. Here also we should assign it, assign to view, assign it. This beam also assign to view, assign it, assign to view, assign to view, assign it. Okay, we completed the design part, and we should select the we should analyze print, add it, those, analyze, then analyze, save. Here we should get any errors are there or not. We can check it first. Until we will wait for the any errors are there in the structure, we can check it. Okay, we get the 0 errors, and next step is go to post-processing mode. In the next class I will say that how to any deflection or acting on this structure we can see in the next class. Okay, click on done option here. Thank you, that's it.